Hi everyone, I'm gonna talk today about the money tool that we have it under matthews.ca. The money tool is a collection of realistic Canadian currency in coins and bills, so I can drag any bill that I need from the drawer. This is $100, $20, $5, and even if I want to copy the $5, I can click on the copy icon to make extra copy, and the same thing for the coins. I can copy the coins if I want. Now let's say I want to know in my workspace how much I have, so I can click on this icon to count the currency. So if I click on it, it's gonna give you a small table of the count of each currency. So I have one bill of 100, one bill of 20, three bills of $5, and two $1, and one of the loonies, and one of the 25 cents. Let's say it's not clear for me which one is $1, which one is $2, which one is 25 cents. It's not very clear, so I can use this icon 1 to 3 to show the labels. If you click on this label, it's gonna show you $100, $20, $5, $1, $2, and 25 cents. If you click again on this one, it's gonna hide it. And there is another option. When you click on it, you can see this icon change the unit. It's highlighted. So let's say I want to change everything in dollars or change everything in cents. So if I click on this one, you can see 0.25, $2, $1, and everything in dollars. So if I click again on it, I'm gonna check everything. Now I'm gonna see it in cents: 25 cents, 200 cents, 100 cents, 10,000 of cents. So it's gonna change the unit of the money when I'm clicking on this icon. There is another thing if I need to zoom in and zoom out. So if I click on this icon to zoom in, and if I need to click on this icon to zoom out, if I need more space in the workspace, I can hide the drawer for some work, and after that I can drag everything to the right side a little bit to create some space in the workspace, and after that open the drawer again. I can switch from English to French from this icon, and this is very clear. If I click on French and I click on the information, all the information going to be in French, but if I click on English, I return back everything to English. I can let's say do a small mistake, drag 25, and I'm gonna say no, I don't need this 25, so I can undo this 25 or redo whatever I want, or I can even return to the default workspace by clicking on this icon, and it's gonna ask me, do you want to reset everything? Yes. Okay, so I can come back to the previous screen. Another icon which is very nice, that if I need to drag not only $100 or $150, I want to drag it by group of, let's say, 5. So I click on this icon and I click on 5. Now when I drag the 100, I'm gonna drag a group of 5, and even for the icon group of 5. This is something else that I can use it to make my work a little bit quicker. And if I want to click on anything and I want to delete it, so I can click on 200 bills and I click on delete. It's gonna send the 2 bills to the recycle bin. I have this annotation, which is the annotation tool, which is the pencil. It's gonna give me choices here. I can use the pencil to draw anything, let's say $, whatever, and I can erase whatever I want by choosing the eraser. Also, I can use any shape with this way to unite, let's say, a number of coins. I can play with the background color or the counter color by clicking on this icon. So if I want to change the counter from orange to blue, I can change it with this way. Next time I will see it in blue. Even for the background, if I want to change it to purple, let's say, the next time it's gonna be on purple. Again, I can choose whatever I want. Let's say this, send it to the recycle bin to clean the workspace, let's say. And I can use even some shape if I want to use some arrows to explain any thing for the student, or any shape like a square or a circle with this way. If I want to erase something like that, I choose the things and send it to the recycle bin as usual. Also, I can play with this icon to import any a picture, but before to do that, if you see there is a circumference in orange color, I have to click back on this to make all the tools disappear and go back to my workspace. Now if I click on this, I can drag any picture and add it to my workspace for any instruction for the students. The last thing that is the settings. The settings I can ask to hide or to show the labels. So if you see here, the labels are hidden. If I want to show it, if I click on show, it's gonna be $100, $50, 5 cents, and so on. So it depends how you want it. The currency unit, if you want to change it to only dollars, only cents, or both, and actually I prefer both. So in this case, every time you are clicking on this icon, you can change the unit to dollars only or to cents only, and so on. This is the currency side. You can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you like, and you can change the background. So let's say this blue, you want to make it as yellow, you change it to yellow, and so on. So I give you the basic of the information that we need to start this money tool with the student. And actually this tool is great for grade 2 and 3 to start to understand the money, and let's say how many cents in $1, or how many 25 cents in $1, and we can create many activities by using this money tool under masses.ca. Thank you for listening.